If the building's not going to be heated or cooled for the most part, but you do want some thermal protection to stop sweating and maybe even some sound absorption, I'd recommend going with just the regular old 3-inch. No reason to go heavier if it's just a building for cold storage or a garage. If you're going to be working in the building like a shop to tinker in, but really aren't concerned about efficiency, you may consider going with 6 inches on the roof and 4 inches on the walls. This is perfect if you're only going to heat the space while you're inside of it occasionally. This used to be the standard, 15, 20 years ago on all metal buildings, and basically gives you an R19 on the roof, where most of the heat transfer occurs, and an R13 on the walls. We don't recommend or typically provide 6-inch compression insulation for the walls because of the tendency for the panels to oil can. On the roof, it's not as much of a concern because unless it's very extreme, it's just a slight cosmetic blemish, which is difficult to really spot when it's on the roof. Oil canning is where the panel will dimple like the bottom of an old school oil can under the force of the insulation trying to expand around the screw.